Okay, John Kielec here from Daily Net Pay Private Trade Shares. My local current time is 2:02 p.m. Friday, March 16th. And I'm going to show you maybe a faster way how high leverage trading works. And we're going to set up. All right, so first of all, we're going to set up the market is going down, but we have a trend going up. And so we're going to use 75 X. All right, so we have a BitCoin. I'm going to use 1/4 of that account. So we got almost $2,000 in here. 1921. Okay, and we're going to divide that by 4. So this is 1/4. So I am going to place 480. That's okay. Market 0480. So that's gonna be let's see, about $20,000 in here. We gotta see 0480, 25,000. 2504. What was that again? 0480. How about 28,000? 4 or 5. Okay, we're gonna go 30,000. 489, 30,000. Okay, the market is going down. How is our play field? In the previous video, I told you, oh, okay, our play field is looking good. It's going up, so we got to catch this. Let's go. Boom. All right, confirm. Okay, I got a signal here. Market is filled. All right, so you can see instantly we're already in some profit. Okay, and basically this is high leverage trading, and we're going to see if we can make a quick profit in here. So basically 480, I'm trading with about $500. Okay, well, let's see if I'm gonna go pull up the BitCoin, and what was that? 0.0480. That's $436. Okay, so that's what I am trading in here right now. And as I said before, I make a little copy in here of this. So for my kind of reference, and you know, I just like doing this. Just in case there's any possible transaction going not the right way, and I keep kind of that to myself. Okay, and I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna put the new, don't save, and I'm gonna open my other one. That was from the previous trade. All right, see the previous trade is 15.73, $173.08. You know, this is not including the broker fees, but it's not bad profit. Okay, here we go. I'm getting beat. Moving average is moving on BitCoin, and this is what my alerts. Okay, so this thing is crossing in here. Both EMAs crossing upward, so it's a good sign. How is our BitMEX? I don't trade on BitMEX, but it gives us the overview. I use 1 hour candles, standard candles in here. The trend is up, you can see. This is Bit7. Bit7 is another broker. And how's the play field look over here? I call this roadmap, or my high leverage play field. This is how I place the LPE, liquidation protection entry, and basically this is the support is way up here. That line you see up there, that's the resistant uptrend line. That's my kind of language for my system. And down here, Okay, this is the support. Okay, this is gonna, well, actually support is over here. This is another one. But see this line? This is the support uptrend line. So, these are my little guidelines. So we have market trending temporary up, and this is 1 minute chart. Okay, this is fast deals. Fast deals. How's everything looking? Oh, we got a little wick up there over here that people got liquidating. That's how many people losing money. Okay, as long as this wick gets smaller and the body gets more solid, the stronger the trend is up. Okay, this thing keeps, every minute it lets me go because this EMA is crossing. All right, even though just like this over here is 1 hour. All right, so it's getting green, but this is these candles are hiking a she. All right, so I go by that to trade in here. Oops, you can see the market went down. Okay, so it's normal. But soon I gotta place my LPE liquidation. Where's my liquidation? 90.19. Oh, we got a little ways down yet. All right, so let's look at what's happening. Okay, so over here we have EMA just dropped down. This thing. And in here, those are just standard candles. All right, so what's happening in the play field? Gives me the, let's see, when it bounces off in here, it can go up or it could go down. But, this is my support uptrend line. Okay, so let's go in here and move this up a bit. Right now we 3.094% down almost. Okay, the liquidation. All right, nothing. The same thing over here. We're going to tell you. Okay, because we're trading with what? $436. I actually placed 75x trade. That means 75 times about that amount. $436, it should roughly end somewhere around $30,000. So, I borrow that money from the broker. And the worst it could happen to me in here, and I will never lose in here, never, unless the Bitcoin goes to zero or something. But the worst scenario in this case, I could lose $436. All right, and like I showed you in the previous video where we had this trade, this was a long trade, 6 hours, over 6 hours, and that was like what, $300 something. This thing keeps letting me know every minute when it crosses, but it was, can't remember what it was, but it was just a little over $300 something, $340, $380, and in 6 hours, well, out of that, we made that 173, minus the broker fee. This is, net, but brokers got to take their fees out of there. So, so right now we're at 436. We're only using a quarter of that, and every time I go in here, it shows me, okay? So I'm just gonna go like that. The market is trending down. Let's look at our field. It is. All right, so we got in. Okay, we're pretty good. But anyways, that's what it is. And protection, LPE, liquid protection. Okay, this one you can see liquidation price over here is 90.19. 90.19. Okay, so 90.19. Well, we got a long way down. So this is the difference between entry price and over here. When the price Bitcoin gets to about $9,019.50, boom, I lose that, what? I will lose that $436. And you think I want to lose that? I told you, I never lose in here. I will never. In the previous video in here, I could say we were down like 60%, and I came out ahead with almost 16% profit. All right, on a $340 or whatever trade. So, by how I cannot lose? By placing LPE, liquidation protection entry. So this one, I'm playing 1/4 of the market, 25% of total my 1900, whatever that was, worse than here. All right, then you can see over here, $422. That's all I can lose. But liquidation price 90.19. Wow, it's way down here. Wow. But I'm not going to place liquidation price because I don't think I will need it in this. I don't think that Bitcoin will drop that low, even though it's Friday afternoon. Usually Friday dumps and Sunday ups with Bitcoin over the weekend. But, you know, Friday's not a good trading day, especially when it's, you know, local time, 2:13. You know, the Forex market is ready to close at 5 p.m. Actually, sometimes they even close, you know, faster. But, you know, the trading goes on till 5 o'clock. So the Bitcoin becomes over the weekend kind of not volatile. Overall, today's markets, all right, like these 6 markets, these are the 6 markets. There's 8 markets. Sometimes I trade 6 or 2 or 3. They were not very volatile today. It was kind of steady market today. So, but it's Friday, and this is the beginning of the month. Usually, you know, there's lots happening, but it did happen as of today's the 6th. So, beginning of the Monday was the 2nd, and that's what a lot of movement was happening. All right. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the market. But usually I would do this. I would go up here. I would take the limit market. I got to place the 75x, and I would go 10 because we're going for prices up. So, you know, I got to go down, and I got to add $10 to that. So my still going to be 30,000, and we're going to change this to 90.2950. Okay, 90.2950, and basically when it drops down, I am, you know, it's going to be like 3/4 on the way to our liquidation price. This is where I'm going to place my LPE, liquidation protection entry. But there's no need at this time. So because, you know, I have to place it, then sit on the brokers, then when I'm done with this trade, I cancel it. So, but there's no need at it, but I got it all punched in and ready for it. So, anyways, I'm going to pause this, check the what's happening in the playground. Okay, the playground, all right. We have EMA 20 almost touching 200. Okay, so maybe it will cross, maybe it won't. But you can see this, my playground in here. Okay, so we made just this second point in here. All right, so we're going to lower this to that. Once it becomes pretty well level, then I don't have my support uptrend. Then, you know, the support would be this one, that line. The next one would be way down here. But it's trending back up again. Okay, let me move this that way. All right, so let's go back and see what's happening over here. And that's going to be going up shortly. How is the thing? Okay, I hear ya. This is some kind of that kind of beep I have on my cell phone every time I got EMA, or when Bitcoin in here gets, you know, 10% or more, then it lets me know. So I know, you know, to watch out and see if it's gonna go higher, take the profit and run or whatever. Okay, so All right, we got a bigger wick at the top. The body's getting wider. No liquidations yet. Everything is so far. Our playground is looking better. Oh, yes, I like those things. Look at that. Wow. All right, so let's go. What's happening in here? All right, we should be coming into profit if it keeps like going like this, and we can move this right down here now. And you know, this is just a temporary support uptrend line. I think I should shut this thing off. All right, I hear ya. Okay, see, look all these. Clear blog. Okay, this is BitCoin. This is my alert. What is this alert for? Crossing. Okay, I am gonna stop temporarily, so won't bug me, and I can turn it on later. Okay, so you can see it is crossing here. The 20 EMA crossing the 200. That's a good sign, because when they cross and it's uptrend, so that means temporary trend is up, even though you know it goes up and down. So that's how it goes. Like I say, each of these candles, and this is, you know, hiking a she candle. It's not the regular candle like over here. It's the regular candle, 1 hour chart. Our playground, which is over here, that's 1 minute, hiking a she. And also in here is 1 minute as well. All right. So I don't know if I should just pause the video, come back, and you know, hopefully it's not going to take 5-6 hours to take a profit in here. I thought this would be, you know, I still get a signal. What is this? Exponential. Okay. What did I miss in here? Crossing. I got 2 of them set in here. So I'm just going to close that one. Okay. That one. All right. So basically, I go up and down. So each of them candles, it's 1 minute. So when I look at the play field in here, this is my overall look. What's going to happen? Kind of these candles and the bodies kind of tell me if what could happen in the future. And right now, okay, it looks pretty good. And this chart is my play field. And this is where I play. Green against the red. All right, so, okay, we got to beat this, then we got to beat that. Like I say, usually such a trade, either if I'm going up, for prices up, or going down, it would take 5-6 minutes and boom. I would get, you know, 20-30%. But as I'm recording this, it doesn't work like that. But, you know, it's Friday, so the markets are very slow today, not very volatile, so that's another thing. Okay, but anyways, I'm going to pause it for now, come back maybe when I get the next beep, and it's going to get, all right, I'm going to shut this thing up. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this thing, and for now, I don't need it because the computer's by me. Okay, well, we have, you can see how the market is going up and down, up and down. But it's, you know, this is just, it's not very, usually the market, you can see it jumping up and down. All right, so, yeah, it's having a hard time to go up. This morning it started pretty good, then as the day progressed, it's kind of, you can see in here, like in this thing entire, it's kind of, you know, in the box price. So we're just gonna play it out, and I'm gonna pause the recording and come back a little bit later. Okay, 2:28 p.m. I just got a beep on my cell phone because our playing field is beginning to look pretty wild in here. Look at this. Look at this. Let's go to our trade. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I like that. And look at that. We got, oh, I hate this thing. When I click on that. Okay, almost 13% profit. And, this trade is going a lot better than this morning one. But, it can still drop. I can take that $50 profit. We're trading with what? $436. Okay, even the contract is 30,000 because it's at 75x. So what that means, we're borrowing 75 times the amount I am trading from the broker. But I don't have to pay anything for that borrowing. All I have to do is pay a fee, a transaction fee, on the winnings. And even if I lose, it's got to take 10 to 15%. So I always, when I need here at least 10% to make it worthwhile, 15% is actually my range. Anything over 15, I'm ready to exit the market. So even right now, it's still profitable. But 10% I kind of keep it. That's the brokerage. But trading with 30,000 on $436 on brokers borrowed money at 75x. It is called my playing field high leverage trading. All right. So that's where it is. And let's keep watching what's going to happen in here. It's going to go to 15%. How does it look? Oh, look at this. People are getting liquidated in here. That's why I use BitMEX. I used to trade in here, but I don't like it. They suck, to be honest. Plus, they're cheating. They're actually trading against you. Many things about BitMEX. A lot of good traders are gone. But anyways, they're getting liquidated. But they have this excellent feature. This is liquidation features, and it is on 1 hour. That's my playing field. But my major playing field is this. And this is 1 minute chart, and with Heiken Ashi bars. This is where I actually see. I wanted this to reach our top in here, because that is my goal for today. Somewhere around there. And the support is over here. So it looks like we're doing pretty good. What is it? Keeps jumping up and down. All right. And this is our... I'm going to move this a bit over here, because that is the support uptrend line. Okay, this is the support. See in here, the line right across, but this is, I call it support uptrend line. So anyways, 11.30, almost 12%. Now it's probably gonna drop down a bit, then it's gonna go back up. I still didn't place my LPE, liquidation protection entry, because I don't think it's necessary this time, as our liquidation price is set at 9,019.5%. That's just way down there. We're going the good way. We're going according to our target way, or uptrending. And I can draw another one over here, 3. That would be 2 points over here. And that would be a smaller target, but I always take the biggest, biggest target. It's actually over here. These two are pretty close. So I made my playing field over here. And, I call it a play field. Green against red. Who's going to reach that target? Is it green going to reach that target, or red's going to reach the bottom one? So looks like so far the red or the green is winning. All right, so actually in proper trading, bulls are winning, bears are down. Okay, local time. What do we have? 12.5%. All right. Okay, 51 bucks. 51 bucks, what is it? What time did we start? About 25 minutes ago. $436, and I can take that $52 profit if I want, but that's not enough yet. Like I say, That's not bad money. Okay, 12.8, almost 13%. And, you know, this is something that reminds me of high yield investment programs. And anybody can earn, you know, 5–10%. Like I'm talking, what you're seeing up here is without the fees, okay? Because the broker takes about 10–15% fees from that amount. So, you know, the percentage that you see in here, that is just what it's worth. Less the fees later when broker takes it out. But like I say, you know, you can see what kind of short-term, very short-term, in minutes, and, you know, even in a half an hour, what kind of percentage you can earn. As long as you know what you're doing, high leverage trading is very profitable, very profitable. How do you think those millionaires became millionaires? Thanks to this kind of trading, okay? And I knew about it all along. That's why I've been trading. I've been testing. I've been designing my battlefield in a way, or, you know, my playground field, whatever. It's my playground. I like to call this I'm playing here. I'm playing with red against green. At this time, when I'm going for prices down, well, it's going to be green, red against green, and, you know, hopefully, if I'm going for prices down, the red's going to be winning, going this way. So, but, and, you know, I can scroll down, and I'm, you know, look, all of this. It gives me, that's the major ones. Eventually, you know, that's the major trend up there. It's going to be around 92.31. All right, so that's the major trend over here. Oh, now it's the price is going to go down. So, but we're still trading. It's, you know, you cannot expect this thing to go all the way up. It's got to drop down. It's a pump and dump, you know, type of thing. And, all right, I'm back into this field, so that way I can see what's happening. All right, so let's go in here, 12%, $51. No, that's not enough yet. I want to reach my target. All right. So, anyways, I'm gonna pause that video. We're in profit, so you know, we're not gonna lose this thing. It can, but I don't think in the short term it's gonna reach back down here, as it shows in here. Look at this liquidation. More contracts are being liquidated, stopped out. People losing money, and we are into the money. You know, somebody's got to win, somebody's got to lose, but if you know what you're doing, you cannot lose, and we cannot lose any of these high liquidation, high leverage trading, because we have proper management, proper wallet management, and LPE, liquidation protection entry set. Actually, I don't have it set in here because, okay, see this active, that's where you're going to see, but I don't need it at this time, so I'm not going to do it, but that's how it takes. All right, we're going to pause this for a sec, take 5 minutes or so, maybe we'll get into higher profit, but I am going till, hopefully we're going to reach that target up here. And I don't know, might take a minute or two, might take 5 minutes, might take half an hour, or we might drop down here. Right now, see the 20 EMA, it's still kind of pointing up, so I'll keep playing. Oh, there's the green candle. Oh, yes. See. All right, so I'll keep you going. I'll keep this thing going, so maybe we'll hit that target yet. Okay, what's happening in here? 13%, oh, 16%, wow, there we go, all right, see, all right, maybe we're going to hit 20%, how is the other thing? Well, still liquidation happening, the body's more solid, the wick is getting bigger, how's the playground? All right. Playground, okay, we still got a little bit of play here. We can enlarge this bit more. I'm just waiting. Sometimes you just gotta have patience. Okay, it's looking good. Are we gonna reach our target? All right, 16, almost 17%. Let's go back to the playground. The playground gives me a better overview when I trade. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on going. As soon as I see a little bit of red, I'm gonna be out of here. All right, I'm gonna be out of here. I'm gonna sell it, get rid of it, take the profit, and say good night. No, it's good afternoon actually. All right, so what's happening? Oh, it's still going up. It still keeps on going. So as long as it's going up, we're not gonna exit out until we see a little bit of red. But like I say, we might even hit our goal, that target up there. It's going to be pretty close. It's going pretty close. All right. I just keep checking back and forth. How's it look? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Okay, it has dropped down a bit. How's the playing field? It's dropping. It's dropping. It's dropping. Okay, we got 16.3. I am going to sell it at the market. Confirm. It's good enough. I'm not going to be greedy. Okay, so this is it. All right. We just made and okay, and we closed 16.74%, $70.92. Time right now is what? 2:40. All right. So there you go. Not bad money. On what? On $436. $436 and $70 profit. And so, okay, this is it. This is what I'm calling high leverage trading. Until later, because I'm going to take a break from trading now, and I've got a few more hours, then I'm going to do the daily net pay private trade shares stats for week ending, which is today, Friday, March 16th. Until later.